Navigating infertility carries a documented psychological toll, and few procedures trigger as much anticipation anxiety as the dye test, or HSG. We can eliminate that fear by deconstructing exactly what the test does and why your body reacts the way it does. This anatomical map shows the core purpose of the HSG. For natural conception to occur, there must be a clear pathway for sperm to travel through the uterus and into the fallopian tubes. The test is designed to find structural blockages, like scar tissue or endometriosis, that prevent that meeting from happening. Mastering the mechanics of this procedure transforms it from an intimidating ordeal into a vital tool for taking control of your medical journey. The HSG follows a strict scheduling protocol between days 7 and 10 of your menstrual cycle. This is necessary for two reasons. First, your period must be completely over, so the uterine lining is fully shed. Second, the test must be performed before ovulation occurs to avoid any chance of interfering with a potentially fertilized egg. The initial physical setup will feel familiar, as the first steps, positioning and the use of a speculum, match the routine of a standard pap smear. In this pelvic cross-section, the doctor glides a thin, flexible catheter past the cervix and into the lower uterus. This alignment of biological timing and physical setup ensures the procedure remains a highly controlled, routine medical maneuver. Once secured, the doctor introduces a contrast dye that begins filling the uterine cavity. This explains the specific sensation associated with the HSG. Because the uterus is a muscle, it reacts with a sharp cramp when stretched by incoming fluid. This cramping is a normal, predictable biological response, and the peak of the discomfort typically lasts for only about 60 seconds. Now, notice where the dye is positioned. If the fallopian tubes are healthy and completely open, what happens to this liquid next? The dye travels through the tubes and spills out into the pelvic cavity. Anticipating this exact mechanism allows you to mentally process the discomfort as the feeling of a successful diagnostic map being created. While the 3D model helps us visualize the path, doctors read these results using 2D fluoroscopy X-rays. On the left, we see a healthy result, where the dye spills freely. On the right, the dye is ballooning and stopping abruptly, which indicates a hydrosalpinx. This stoppage provides immediate, definitive evidence of a structural blockage, identifying exactly where the reproductive path is interrupted. Any dye that spills into the pelvic cavity during a healthy test is harmless. Your body naturally absorbs it within 24 hours. You can prepare for the protocol with this 4-point checklist. Schedule for days 7 through 10, take ibuprofen 1 hour before, expect 1 minute of intense cramping, and receive your results immediately. The physical discomfort of an HSG is brief, but the definitive data it provides is a permanent, crucial step forward in directing your fertility treatment.